on, everybody? Arty here, TWE Explorers with Arty.com, and we are in Concord, Massachusetts at a location we documented pre-COVID. We did it in February of 2020, and we're at the Steeplegate Mall, a very dead mall, a mall that's been hurt for quite some time, and I happen to be in the area, and I figured, hey, let's check it out and see if the mall's in any worse condition than it was 4 years ago. Stuff I've been reading online says it's not in good shape, so let's check it out and let's walk around the perimeter first, then go inside and see if anything about this mall is changed or showing sign of rehabilitation. Follow me. History about this mall. First time I went back here was 2002, and it was hurting back then. That was 22 years ago. Revisited again in 2019, and then again in 2020, and here we are in 2024. The mall's been around for a while. I believe it was built in the 80s, and it was supposed to be this big shopping location for people who live in Concord, New Hampshire, which is the capital of New Hampshire. We're about 5 miles from the State House, from where we're located right now, give or take. So it's pretty accessible to the city, but the city of Concord has its up and downs. And with the Mall of New Hampshire being about 15 minutes away, which is about 4 times the size of this mall, that seems to pull a little of their business from here. I think that was from day one, similar to the North Shore and Liberty Tree Mall situation in Peabody and Danvers, Massachusetts, which we both documented, both those malls. First look, I'm at the old Sears area over here. A lot of people parking in the parking lot, a couple winter bagels over there. Not very maintained, but anyway, taking the corner now. Let's go check out and see what it looks like as we walk into the mall. To my surprise, and I didn't do any research prior to coming here. I was just in the neighborhood, and apparently the interior of the mall closed about a year ago today, April 28th, 2 years ago today, April 28th, 2022. And there's a few stores still open, but they're all exterior access and nothing inside the mall, which is a little depressing. So I'm going to insert some of my video footage from when I went here back 4 years ago, just in case you came across this video and you can't find the other video. At least you'll be able to see what I seen when I was here roughly a year and a half or 2 years before they closed. So there you go. And man, this is vacant. I'm not sure what they're gonna do with this place, but there's the Bonton right there, closed. Which is one of the only few Bontons in this area too, which is interesting. Too bad. All the kids destroyed all the glass, so you can't really see in, but just from the top. I'm gonna go into Pennies, which is still open, and they they used to have access into the mall, so I want to see if we can maybe catch a glimpse of what the mall looks like from the inside if they haven't boarded up the wall completely, which they might have, because it's something they do sometimes when they do these. But yeah, I can't believe this place is closed. I mean, I can believe it's closed, but I think this is those who follow this channel, it's the same fate the Liberty Tree Mall will be facing sooner or later with their mass exodus of people, or stores for that matter, and a lot of the perimeter stores being busy. That concludes our tour of the Steeplegate Mall, or the lack thereof. I'm glad I went to Pennies, and I'm glad they didn't block off that old entrance. There's been some signs there. We can clearly see into the mall. It looks very similar to what it did a couple of years ago when we were here, so, or if I should say 4 years ago. But it's too bad, and I'm not sure what the final destination of this mall is. I guess I'm going to wait until the Pennies finally goes out, which is inevitable. And I think they just probably knock this thing down and probably build an Amazon distributor center like they do with most of these malls. So we'll see. It's only time will tell. But thank you guys for watching. If you like movies like this, or videos or documentaries of this nature, please subscribe. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you guys soon. See you later. Bye.